Let's see. Wait, it would have been worth more if it was Japanese. Let me see. Guys, if you have this card like this, in the very bottom left, there will be 2 different numbers. If the first number is bigger than the second number, it could be worth a lot of money. My card, we searched it up, or like the value of it, and we can sell that card for $400. For $400. The other one is like $300. So if the first number is bigger than the second one on the bottom left, it could be worth a lot of money. That one, I can't really see the numbers, but maybe.